Banatrol Plus is the #1 selling natural antidiarrheal for C. diff, antibiotics, enteral tube feeding, and chemotherapy and radiation treatment. It is a dual-acting medical food containing banana flakes and a prebiotic, which act together to reduce the severity and length of time patients experience diarrhea while restoring the balance of beneficial gut flora. Banatrol Plus is a medical food, not a medicine, and can be safely used for all forms of diarrhea and loose stools. It will not stop or slow gut motility, decrease absorption of medications, or create hard stools or constipation. Available in 2 flavors: unsweetened banana for tube feeding or mixed in yogurt, applesauce, puddings, or juices, and sweetened pineapple banana that is mixed directly into 4 ounces of water for a good-tasting drink. Banatrol Plus dramatically reduces the cost of care and improves patients' lives.